up? It's your girl Karanique. Welcome back to my channel, Karanique's Korner.
Today we are the egg contestants.
Results from letting them take over your channel. Today we're going to be making Easter egg candy baskets. Something that we've done like since I was little. This is an example one. So, why do you want to know how to make it? Oh, I just dropped it everywhere. Okay, so I'll hand these out and tell you guys while I'm doing it. Here's your cupcake, here's your cupcake, here's your cupcake. Jordan, here's your cupcake. Here's mine. Okay, so you just need to make your cupcakes with your whatever choice you want. I chose confetti cake mix.
No, I don't want frosting.
Okay, you don't need frosting. No, when we make these, you need to put frosting on it, baby.
No. Yeah.
Then how are you gonna make the basket? How are you gonna keep the grass on it? As you guys can see, Avery's missing. She went on her first little play date with an actual friend that's not like related to us. She usually goes with her cousins, but today she's with her little friend and she was so excited. So I'll actually insert a little clip of her doing a little dance for you guys, so it feels like she's here with us. But yeah, so make your cupcakes, then you're gonna frost them. You're gonna use green food coloring on coconut shreds, shredded coconut for the grass part. Okay, you wait for Callie to finish that part, okay? Then you put the shredded coconut with the green food coloring on top. We used to use jelly beans on ours when we were little, but now that I'm older, I don't like all the different flavors of candy on it, so I try to choose something that goes a little bit better together since I want to eat it. And I got these little whopper robin eggs, so we put those on for the little Easter eggs that they found, like so. And then we use these red vines. Are they red vines? Or Twizzlers. Okay, they're Twizzlers. Just kidding. I always get those ones mixed up. Callie. And then you just stick them in like this for the handles of the Easter egg basket. But either one works. You could use. But yeah, and that's how you make it. It's that easy. And it's fun for the kids. Ella's over there devouring cupcakes and acting like a psycho to get more. But yeah. We'll give her frosting. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, you can put it on. You don't want to put those on them? To make the eggs, that part? After, you're supposed to put it on first. But look at Callie's. How cute, Callie. Jordan, are you gonna make one? Or are you just gonna eat it? Oh, Elena, you're kind of squeezing it a little bit so it's breaking the cupcake. You gotta just hold it softly and put the frosting on. But it looks good, girl. Ella, you look crazy. Do you need Daddy to come and get you? Yes, Jordan, what do you want, baby? You want that candy? Do you want this basket? Oh, that's beautiful. See Callie's on? Can you guys see that? So cute. I mean, it's not how I made it, but whatever. That's cute too.
Okay.
That's cute too, Elena. Everyone just did their own little thing. That's great. Awesome. Oh, there goes the handle. That looks good, girl.
It's so delicious.
It's so delicious?
Yeah.
You did an awesome job. Show the camera yours. Is it beautiful? Do you love it?
I'm gonna get those ones.
You want these on it too? Oh, you guys are doing it out of order, but it still looks amazing. Awesome. Show the camera yours. Also, I just made the shredded coconut with the food coloring, and I should have made it last night so it had time to dry, because now our fingers are turning green. But whatever, you know.
This looks like broccoli.
Alright, so if you want to see everyone's cupcakes, this is baby Jordan's. This is Elena's. And then this is Callie's. So cute. Yours is so beautiful too, Lena. Alright. So that's like a quick little activity you can do with your kids.
My kid's baking.
Okay, Okay, so yeah, that's like a quick little activity you guys can do this Easter for your kids. That's fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.